Hey, let's be honest. Sometimes life feels slow, like nothing good is happening. But here's the truth. You don't always have to wait years for change. There are quick, powerful steps you can take to shift your energy, your mindset, and even your results. Today, I'm going to share quick ways to make good things happen. Practical things you can start doing today that open the door for better opportunities, stronger relationships, and more peace in your life. Shift your energy fast. The quickest way to make good things happen is to shift your energy. Why? Because how you feel is what you attract. If you wake up in a bad mood, guess what? You start noticing more negativity. But if you do one thing to lift your energy, play your favorite song, take a walk in fresh air, stretch, or even just smile, you change your entire vibration. That small shift can trigger unexpected conversations, better decisions, and a chain reaction of good things. So the first quick way, choose your state. Don't let the day choose it for you. Express gratitude out loud. Gratitude isn't just about saying, thank you. It's about multiplying what you already have. Take 1 minute and say out loud 3 things you're grateful for. Your health, a person you love, even the fact that you're alive today. This simple act literally rewires your brain, and you start noticing blessings you didn't see before. And here's the secret. When you appreciate what you already have, life sends you more to be grateful for. Do one small kind thing. Good things happen when you create them for others first. Hold the door for someone. Send an encouraging text. Smile at a stranger. Small kindness doesn't just make them feel good. It boosts your mood and creates a ripple effect. You never know what opportunities come back to you because you decided to plant a seed of kindness today. Take immediate action on one goal. A lot of us wait for the perfect time. But here's a fact. Nothing changes until you move. Pick one thing you've been putting off. Making a call. Sending that email. Starting a workout. Applying for that opportunity, and just do it. Action creates momentum, and momentum is the fastest way to make good things start rolling in your life. Surround yourself with positive inputs. If you want quick change, check what you're feeding your mind. Swap gossip or negativity for something uplifting. Listen to a motivational podcast, read a page of a good book, or watch content that makes you better. What you consume shows up in your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your results. Want good things to happen? Feed your mind good things. Visualize the outcome. Close your eyes for just 60 seconds and imagine your desired outcome already done. Picture yourself happy, healthy, successful, or at peace. Visualization activates your brain as if it already happened, and that primes you to notice opportunities that lead you there. It's like giving your brain a GPS route to good things. Clean up your space. This may sound simple, but it's powerful. Clear your desk. Make your bed. Organize one corner of your room. When your physical space is in order, your mind feels lighter. And when your mind is lighter, you naturally make better choices, which attracts better outcomes. Speak good words over yourself. Words carry energy. Instead of saying, nothing ever works for me, switch it to, good things are coming my way. Say it until your mind believes it. Affirmations may sound small, but they align your mindset with what you want instead of what you fear. So, if you want quick ways to make good things happen, remember this. Shift your energy. Practice gratitude. Be kind. Take action. Feed your mind positivity. Visualize your future. Clear your space. Speak life over yourself. Good things don't just happen. You create the environment for them. And once you do, life starts surprising you in ways you never imagined. So, which one of these are you going to try today? Let me know in the comments, and remember, good things are closer than you think.